My lovely darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about another Russian Instagrammer. One of you actually asked me to do more about Russian ladies, so I think the next one is going to be really interesting as well. She is quite young, but she is quite famous for her like classic style. So even though she's 25 years old, so she is quite young woman, obviously young woman. She still looks very elegant, and I think there's lots of things we can take from her and get inspired by her basically. Let's talk today about Lera Tskhuvaleva. It is a Russian name, so I might reading it not really correct, but I would say that's probably how you read it, because when you read Russian, when you read Polish, obviously there's different alphabet, but still the same, you keep the same, I think, rules when it comes to reading. So I think the H, actually you read that as well, so it's not Zuraleva, but it's Tskhuvaleva. I think so. I managed to find some information about her. Sometimes it's hard to find something for, like, when it comes to about Russian models, because there are websites but they are in Russian, it's hard to translate them as well. But in this situation I managed to find one in English. So let's hope it's all correct there. Lera born in 22nd of August in Moscow in Russia. So she is Leo when it comes to her like zodiac sign, if you are into this kind of things. She is very famous model. She is worth about $4 million. $4 million. This is her like net worth. And think about this, she's still very young woman, so I think this is like very impressive. She's also very, like, I think famous for being like traveled Instagrammer, so this kind of influencer who traveled quite a lot, who is traveling quite a lot. And you know, it's really lovely to actually look at her pictures, because like similar to other ladies what we talked about before on ladies from Instagram, most of the time the locations are absolutely fantastic, you know. So there's beautiful beach somewhere, maybe they are in Dubai somewhere and looking at beautiful buildings. There is obviously always something going on when it comes to the pictures, but we're going to talk about her style basically. And the first outfit that I'm going to focus is this kind of very summery, very lovely dress without any sleeve, but it is very elegant type of like not even material, because material here obviously is not really so, I think, important, but I think it's about like this kind of double-breasted dress. Obviously in this situation she has some kind of like a belt in the same kind of material, so it's attached to the dress probably, but give you this kind of like a jacket, almost like a jacket type of dress, and it's really lovely. Obviously she has Hermes back here. Again, on those kind of very classic elegant outfits, you're not going to have a lot of elements, because sometimes just, well, less is more, and ladies obviously they know about this. They probably investing a lot. When you notice they investing a lot in this kind of Hermes bags, some kind of Chanel bags, so all the luxury brands. Sometimes you can spot them wearing outfits that are not very expensive, but obviously the bag always bring everything up and level them up even more. With this first look, the dress is this kind of dress I think we all should have, you know. This is the really perfect summer dress. This is the dress that is going to really elevate you, and it's not necessarily not going to be very warm, because obviously there's no sleeve. It can be even on the side, like just before your knees, or it can be behind your knees. I think even if when it's shorter it doesn't really mind, because of the style of the dress. It's kind of like a jacket type of elegant dress. It's really gorgeous, and honestly it's such a great purchase. If you find something like this, then really decide to buy it, because it's really good investment. And I think dress like this you can really wear it years after years, because this is just spot on. Another outfit, this is I think the outfit that I actually found her years before, but I didn't actually knew this was her at that time, you know. But I really like this look. This is more like a autumn, I would say wintry, but obviously the wintry that it's not much cold. It's just like a light winter, or I would say autumn type of outfit. You have a beautiful coat. Let's start with coat because that's like the biggest piece of the garment. You have a beautiful like a brownish jumper, white shirt underneath, jeans, so it is more like a casual everyday look, or maybe some kind of university event look. You could go like this to university. Nice boots from Hermes, no surprise there, but they are like a type of flat boots, so again very casual, comfortable look, but still with lots of class and lots of elegance. I really like that. Honestly, this is such a beautiful look, and again something that not so complicated, but she looked absolutely fantastic here. And she was here younger as well, but like younger than 25. But I love her hair as well. She has such a beautiful color of her hair, so natural, you know. I really like that as well. Next look, it's this kind of more wintry, typical more winter look. Obviously you have a snow behind her as well. It is really gorgeous. I wanted to talk about this even now during the summer because it's really gorgeous look. This kind of like a poncho, this kind of like a coat that doesn't have a sleeve, but like a cape type of coats are really gorgeous. Adding this kind of fur, it doesn't need to be real fur, it can be like eco fur or something like this. It is giving this kind of very expensive look as well to it, and I think it's absolutely fantastic. I think she has a trousers and a top with some kind of long sleeves in the same color, so it might be a kind of like a set. Obviously hard to see because you can't really see it much, but I can see just the trousers and the blouse sleeves are the same color, so I would probably say it is some kind of top, and I like the color of the sleeves as well. She is very young, so let's not forget about that she's going to as well wear in this kind of outfits that they are for young ladies, and that's another one here. The skirt is a little bit on the short side, but she can get away with it because she's wearing a black tights, so it doesn't really show your leg like your skin. You cover your skin with obviously your tights, with your hosiery. But I think this is another look that it could be great for some kind of university, for some kind of college, and she actually represents the style as well very well because she is a very young woman, you know, so this is quite good option for those of you who are younger as well in her age, and you can get inspired by her. And the looks doesn't really make her look, I think, older. She still looks absolutely fantastic, and looks on for her age. She doesn't look very old. With this look, just wanted to show you that because I wanted to say that this kind of college, university outfits, I think this could really work well. And I actually made a video about this kind of outfits as well, so if you didn't see that one, I will put a link on the top so you can go there as well and watch like what to wear on university and college to look a little bit more elegant. Next outfit is more casual again. You have a Birkin bag here, you have some kind of very like a flat shoes. She is obviously a model, so she is very tall woman, and I'm not going to tell you how much exactly because I don't know, but she's a tall lady, so she doesn't necessarily need to wear heels all the time. And obviously if you're wearing flat shoes, they are a little bit more comfortable than heels during the day, and they are much like heels would be like not really in the place, you know. If you go maybe to a nice restaurant, maybe, but if you're just going for some kind of walk, then flat shoes are just absolutely fantastic. Love the look, love everything about it, love the glasses as well. Love that everything is the same kind of shade, you know, and I love the bag as well in this kind of color. This is really nice look, very like everyday again, very casual, but still it's casual, but still keeping it very classic and elegant. Next look, I think it's quite famous as well when it comes to hair. It's this kind of like a tweedy jacket with some kind of black dress underneath, some kind of boots. Again, with hair fashion, you can really see it's youthful, but it's really works really well for her. And even though she's a very young woman, she still keep it really classic, and it's just pleasure to look at her pictures, you know. It's just such an absolutely wonderful lady, and I love her hair. I honestly love her hair, are so wonderful, always look so like effortless. Why my hair doesn't look like this, you know. It's just absolutely fantastic hairstyle she has. And even her makeup, you don't really see so much. It's not like it's just too much. Her nails are always clean but short, so it's not going to for some kind of crazy length, which is again very classic. Next one, more summery look. It is a red dress with some kind of dots, white dots, and a lovely Hermes sandals. Again, very simple, very sophisticated, quite a shorter length, but again, if you're younger, I think this is completely like appropriate. There's nothing wrong to wear just like this, especially during the summer. She's covering her arms as well, so this is very like beautiful balance there, and everything looks very, very respectful. Next outfit, it's again summery. I wanted to show you a few summers because obviously I show you a few like winter ones as well. Again, something that is quite interesting with colorful bag, colorful sandals, the same type of color basically of orange. Beautiful white, summery, very flowy dress. Give her this kind of youthful look again, so it's absolutely fantastic for this time of the year, and it's almost like effortless, you know. She looks absolutely fantastic with like zero effort. Next one is actually when she was already pregnant, so this is very, very lovely as well to show you this kind of pregnancy look. This kind of dresses are absolutely great when it comes to pregnancy. I might do a separate video now as I'm pregnant as well, so we're going to talk a little bit more about pregnancy outfit. And I think when it comes to being pregnant, you really want to be comfortable. You don't really want to compromise on the comfort, you know. So elegance sometimes might be go behind a little bit, but comfort, this is just something you really need, especially when you are pregnant, like pregnant in your heavier stages. Not really beginning, you can still get away with wearing your normal clothes, but once your belly is really big, it's not going to be, you know, you won't be able to wear everything. With this kind of dresses, they are very stretchy, very comfortable, keep you warm. Some ladies during the pregnancy feel very, very cold, some ladies feel very, very warm. So again, you're going to once you're pregnant, you're going to see where are you, which section are you? Are you the one with all the time being hot, or are you the one who is all the time cold and need to have a layers and layers? This dress, obviously, it's quite nice. It's a dress you could go even in summer when it's not too hot, but obviously it's covered, you know, covering, it's stretchy material, as I said, so it's very comfortable, but it's also this kind of material that's not very, very warm. When it's winter, you could go for some kind of knitted dress like this as well. They will be stretchy, they will be absolutely great for those kind of occasions. Again, her hair effortless, and she looks absolutely fantastic here. Our last looks, our 10th look, very simple. You have a Dior bag, Hermes belt, shorts, and some kind of white turtleneck blouse without sleeves. Again, perfect for summer. Very sophisticated outfit, very simple, and even when you are warm, you can wear shorts like this and you're going to look absolutely gorgeous. And shorts can be as well a little bit shorter than, let's say, a dress, because everything is just covered, keeping a little bit better structure, and you're not worried that nothing is going to be like visible, you know, your garments underneath. But that's what is nice with shorts as well. If you want to go a little bit shorter, it's still absolutely fine. It's better than going for short dress, I think. That's just my personal opinion, but I think it's just better this way. Look is absolutely fantastic. Again, very simple, very sophisticated. Everything looks absolutely beautiful, and she's a beautiful woman, you know. Okay, ladies, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. If you have any other ideas of like famous ladies, please let me know, because I always try to see what kind of ideas you have as well, if we're on the same page. Hopefully see you in the next one.